Ready to tap into some never-before-seen automation and real artificial intelligence to skyrocket your traffic, leads and profit? New AI web app will write, optimize, post and rank content for all your sites for any niche and/or location worldwide, allowing you to finally get all the buyer traffic from the search engines that you'd like while our app does all the work for you. Done for you content for all your sites for any niche using real artificial intelligence. Totally hands-free optimization of that content for you for any target keyword and/or location worldwide. Automatically adds relevant images and videos to your content too with our built-in media library of millions of royalty-free images. Hands-free posting of your perfectly optimized content on any desired schedule you'd like. Hands-free syndication of your perfectly optimized content to over 25 high-authority social sites to send your pages to the first page of the search engines. Never write, optimize, post or syndicate content manually ever again. Build and scale your niche site empire in record speed by leveraging our new, exclusive technology that's not available anywhere else. Rank niche sites in any niche and/or any location worldwide and let our app do all the heavy lifting for you. Limited time bonus, get agency rights for free today to use our powerful AI app for your clients' campaigns as well. Limited time bonus, get free access to the only AI content spinner on the market that actually understands what your content means, so you get perfectly unique content every time. Never set up a niche site manually ever again. Automate your entire ranking process below. Once you get access to Zairp, it's like having your own personal SEO butler at your fingertips. It will literally automate every single step of the SEO process. Zairp will automatically set up all of your sites for you in a matter of minutes. It will install an SEO-friendly theme. It will activate SEO-friendly URLs for all your posts. It will install all the vital SEO plugins, and much more. Our AI will write all of your content for any niche, in up to 25 different languages if you'd like. It will also write content in 25 different languages if you're ranking content in 4 niches. Yes, perfectly readable content in the most popular languages. Fully optimize that content for you for any keyword and/or location you'd like. We have the most complete, global database built into Zairp. Automatically spin your content with the only AI content spinner on the market that actually understands what your content means, so you get perfectly unique content every time. This is a huge bonus not available anywhere else. Automatically add high-quality images and videos to your content for maximum optimization. We have millions of media assets to choose from that come royalty-free directly from our Storyblocks integration. Automatically interlinks your content with relevant keywords to have Google drooling over your sites. In case you're not aware, interlinking is essential to your site's SEO success, and thankfully, we've automated this for you. Automatically add schema markup to all your posts to skyrocket your rankings even more. Yup, having your schema markup done properly on your posts is essential, and Zairp does it for you without you needing to know any coding at all. Automatically creates multiple authors on your sites, so everything looks perfectly natural. When you're able to leverage software to have 100 single quotas of posts done for you, it looks more natural for your site to have multiple authors. Zairp does that automatically. Automatically post that content for you on any schedule that you like, so your sites are always getting quality, engaging content. You can even schedule hundreds, or even thousands of posts, being posted on your behalf with Zairp doing all the heavy lifting for you. Automatically syndicate every single post to over 25 high-authority social sites to skyrocket your rankings. Yes, we've automated this vital process for you as well, so that you never have to build a single backlink yourself ever again. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.